After a wild run in the mud, my MN99S is looking a little, well, muddy. Time to get this off-road beast looking new again. A good cleaning is essential for performance and longevity. Let's get to it. Check out the state of this rig. Mud absolutely everywhere. Make sure to power off and unplug the battery before introducing any water. Initial rinse time. The goal here is to get the worst of the loose mud off. And there you have it, the MN99S is sparkling clean and ready to hit the trails again. Regular maintenance like this keeps your RC car running strong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RC content. Now, where should we get it dirty next?